sizophumelela. Uzamalamulela. Uzamalamulela. Persona, lacho lona. Pass. Aliyazi. Yeah.
Should I go or should I not go?
Yeah.
Sanibona nje boy kule mathibe phela nesithabe intwana semkondi khona le eKhenza bathi uMkhenza kashaya thethiswa. Ngayi ngakura uthame ngihamba nomaphoyisa. Ngathi sibuya ngayi sithi jene. Hamba nomaphoyisa besicela siyintroduce mfethu utshela abalandeleli ukuthi come on. What's up?
Ula. Sibo mavocha. Sibo Mac.
Kanjalo sibuye ngayi ngaku left. Sithi siyagodzela jene.
Thank you bafethu siyagodze shibobo magazine.
Hamba namaphoyisa bheka icele kanjalo that way. Sibonga bafethu ukureacha i100 futhi bathi ngecricket bathi century. 100 subscribers ku YouTube bafethu macetha kunale gwije lelithandwa mawutha mengalifuni
sekusele kancane sizophumelela. Yo sekusele kancane sizophumelela. Sekusele kancane
thanda kuphela appreciation.
Yeah. It's a wow.
Singakayi kude bafethu ngibona ukuthi ngilimele natural village busy was yes sir kanje. Sifaka abantu ichase yabona ngaleyo ndlela bafethu. Sho ukuthi into enzakala manje bafethu. Sijabulile. We on top of the roof. Njengoba sisho ukuthi YouTube isiphethe kahle. Sicela silandeleni lapho bafethu subscribe ngobuningi benu. We appreciate you guys. Ngeke simkhohle siniphethe ngohlelo right. Wena subscriber lapho uzobona ukuthi usokuphethele right. Yayizwa lento. Talking about Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ngicabanga ngale ndaba le Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi kahle khamba.
Personal.
Up close and personal.
My personal.
Indeed.
Nami ngisathanda, ngisancane, you know.
Yayibona. And this
like
is focus live.
Like PSL yakhe like a big team vele underperform.
Like competition.
Ngithola so like I understand that you want to achieve that it's already idiots. And I think you should not green because of no even management or basaka kanka team. And then it seems like very team ever appreciate. I mean, but bale mna baspenda nyo jo. Nala the princess one kai for to shabela bat bali week in week out.
Nana ntona utwe KZN utwe Limpopo utwe uma Eastern Cape ufika to shabela meswatla.
So I think mfana management ya Chiefs kamele step up mfiti bone plan hore whatever it's alanda officing ba iqeta jwang or like team e tshwana le Chiefs go ya Kenya like PSL ya Kenya jo.
Like PSL ba di tshwanela le sa
ya Kenya sba
safa corruption e tsala nya teng Jordan nje go ba batla go bida ebe ana a khutlele mo sekhondleng se sa bona bona gore ke sa le bank se copile in chelete ka ma se sainile a se tlo go plana ke batla way forward ke batla fatela mo gaska di go
bantshona
awe
so nje
senja ya
go busy no into enzeka la Kaizer Chiefs vela ayikho mnandi yabo ayikho grand for team egrot mara mina into engishoyo neyi1 after le game le Richards Bay bekumele baqoshe leziya so ufuna ukuthi uthi abana backup coach backup plan umuntu ongababambela nje from no like Begman United yenzi bamqoshile ucoach ibane backup Carrick nabo bekumele babe ne backup baqoshe leziya because of akuna way forward ayikho into abayenzayo uthiyana labantu laba yabadlalile le game le Richards Bay first half bangashaya ngi-shot on target. Ngithola so labantu angabayithu ayikho into abayenzayo kumele baba lapha yabe kumele the next day Wednesday ekseni ba announce ukuthi bahlukene nale outlets sivayile ngithola ele bazicoshe lezi yaba fit simple akusi mfethu singathi sikhuluma Chiefs is a big team line Chiefs is a big team line expect some results noma ndliwe mele kubonakala ukuthi badliwe but they try.
There was that fight.
Ngithola
njengala ma team lawo njengoba uyabona la kabo mazudliwe badliwe ngakhona it showed ukuthi abantu so thina we're not fighting like we're giving them
free 3 points.
Yeah, so ngathi and another thing futhi into enkenya ukuthi nje mfethu you cannot uthi uqala isizini uqale kahle then ureshuffle yonke into le cabinet njengolokhuza ngoJacob Zuma wenza kanjani reshuffle wena, like it seems like you lost, you know, like you don't know what you're doing. And when I started nyana be-circulate about Dr. Khumalo ongazi ukuthi sikhiphani, if lezi ziyacoshwa maybe he's gonna take over in whatever sense. I don't know ukuthi iqiniso ukusikhipha, but yeah, I think the backup plan ingaba yileyo nto leyo, because we don't have umuntu esingasho ukuthi okay i-coach ukhona like abo-Atazwane, you remember baphuma la bafaka u-Atazwane kuleso sikhundla lezo. So if they can just, you know, switch lapho nalapho bafake isibonelo senzani just sicede le season, so khona uqalela phansi.
Yeah, what so balande outside ku-DDC coach akhethe just for season eziphele because of labantu laba, it's like bayisa phansi wes.
Hey Joe.
Phansi wes. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. It's getting worse. It's getting worse.
You were saying?
Thank you. What's the conversation between Chiefs and Pitso Mosimane and Benny McCarthy?
Well, for now, I think sase ama-rumors lawo. Asazi because of upeni bambuzile ngithi.
Bambuza uthena. Uyafuna.
It's either Kaizer Chiefs or Man United.
Yes.
Yeah, usho kanjalo.
Uchilo vele because of obvious ngathi
but for no kusaswa ama-room.
Kusatsalile room.
Mama bambuzo uCheza June kuRobert Marawa. Uthe angeke ngikhulume ngalezo zinto lezo ekubeni Chiefs sanama-coach. Zoba ngathi disrespect
Yes, yeah.
So uyabona ukuthi somehow basaziprotecta. So uyabona ukuthi ngathi abayindawo labantu la. Ngathi bazoceda isizini. And if bazoceda isizini
I
think into coach uzoba under pressure.
Into ngicabanga ukuthi bayayithuna vele ilimi lokuthi lezi maziceda la le season le already seziyavala. Bayarishavula because of now. So how many games?
It's like
12. So yafela season.
We can say 13.
And game in hand.
Yafela season. So I think if everybody goes like machita iqeda ngihlukaneng because of remember ba protect our brand ilbo. It's a brand, ngeke brand, so that's why
ngibonile izolo page la le Chiefs ku Twitter. Postile ukuthi no, we heard your cries, what. We will respond to the fans and what. So angazi ukuthi ke njengoba ba protester bebathi bafunani. But I think it's obvious.
I think
it was based on our coach.
Nami into engisho ukuthi obvious.
Because of now babonile mfethu ayazini la siya la village. Bawuqala gating. I think for me na right ne, but then it can be dangerous to playing the place that Chiefs I'm sure. But then like during the initiative of Bayeda in fact babona no exactly no Chiefs kamele ibona plan or attacking but ba
losing 4 games in a row
and get record akaluza game
but lose the next game so I record
ukuluza ama-game
i5 in a row. It's bad.
Yazi ngibone ngalo ukuthi labo coach abangeke bazahamba. uJunior bekalokhu adotsha ama-question aka-Robert Marawa. Ngawadotsha ngawaphenduli ngale ndlela lesifuna ukuthi awaphendule ngayo. Lokhu adotsha nale nto lokuthi umbuzile uRobert Marawa ukuthi are you aware ukuthi kwenzakalani? Washo le ntwana le wathi I'm not aware unless if izinto ezinegative. You understand? Because it's negative, I have to be aware. Obvious, you have to be aware because lento cripple a team. The business that you claim, you're saying it's business.
I mean, I think bayabona too. Bayabona plan labo, but bayabona into mina ngayisho uyakhumbula. Previous episodes ukuthi njengoba baziyekile lezi coach. Let's hope ukuthi kunento abayiphekayo.
Yeah.
Yangithola ukuthi mabazicosha lezi maybe season mayiphela or whenever lento abayiphekayo ivele.
Ngicela ukuhlisa le nonsense eKaizer Chiefs nikhulu.
Ihlisa mfana.
Oh, phuzi cool.
Yeah.
Quench.
Oh.
Angihlisile.
Oh.
Yeah, sesingaqhubeka.
Yeah, so it's a bomb chief.
Amakamina mfana ngajabula mfana iChiefs mayengabuya. Bala mingaphapha uzokhona ukuletha le competition.
In fact, iChiefs, Sundowns ni Pirates, they are big teams too. My expectations were high, very very high. Noma uyocoach dawo ya njengoba bekadliwe 2 games uyifilile ukuthi no la ziyakhala la kumele kwenzeka lezi zinto eziserious
plan ngale game le vele bekathukile uHarvey
uyangithola I think bekabhore ukuthi Smith ama-chances abhaya.
Simisile plus ne-pitch ukhale ngayo.
Yeah, nange-pitch ukhale nge-pitch.
Ama games mfethu. That's in fact esitsenza into ya Kenya because of now. Ulukwane yatseba like it's Nelson busy ba ba kusava muntu basara Kenya ngamoa.
Bebazi ukuthi i-Pirates izodlala game.
The pitch inyani because of obvious Pirates irata dlala ka di. One day tempo yabo.
Ubona if udlala high tempo game.
Ibata ground. So I think vele ke yona le ngimkhenze ngwadi. Kibone like I fair ba win the game le. However, no bona nje King the expressions sabona after game or man. Ka rona nthunyane off. Look at the play, including the play.
Lena the way they show that game mfethu like a game nearly 10s man. Not in terms of playing everything like the atmosphere. Like not understand what's alanda.
Because of coach ulile abafihle ulile ka go I understand why Ulukwane irisa ko kaunenge so elo no ayo grand for style of play sa Pirates yena na bollo is go team ya wabo. So he could have had injuries there because of plus planning and
serious injuries.
So I understand the role la nkareng but then Polokwane City ina le plans tsa yona wa bana le reasons tsa bona wa ba sitse game da one shot ne ba batla le bona ke because of re bone vele it's just go bona ne ba sa attack Pirates
cautious because of the pitch.
Exactly planning nacho
Mfethu labantu laba no Dumi World Cup. You don't want to get injured.
True.
Yeah, wakhuluma nge-World Cup injured.
You don't want to get injured. Ngibonile ungezana
refused to yasecharing.
Yeah, because like they said he was playing with an injury. They were not aware of like injured because he wants to protect the then again didn't go settle la rona as bafana bafana they got coward because never feel them to bona ngore
injured
but the body is not make sure and another thing to give big up to Donna taking Amachimbos against the friendly Botswana.
Oh yeah.
I want it to bafana in the future.
Yeah, plan.
The future corner. That is why I understand more to protect these young guys for
protect ukuthi iminyaka yakhe ikhuphuke maqeda sizothi sese
do you understand
uyayizwa lento le
we don't have to protect these guys amajita afuna ukudlala ibhola ayike ladlaleni ibhola kumele bayenza ama mistake for ukuthi bakhule mabangayenza ama mistake manje uzoyenza sekana 27 so yase sicabanga ukuthi seka complete play
sekuyitheza imoto yakudala engagobeki
uthini ngolotsha ngiyadlala uyabona bese soba lezi zinto lezi zinjalo so that's why ngithi bheka lintwana lezi zwini 6-0 sibonisini ukuthi we want to play and most as emathimini was azidlala why bangazidlalisi le intwana lezi zifuna ukudlala ibhola izinto ezifuna
ayikuthi kuntwana akekho ready uzombona kanjani ukuthi akekho ready ungamfaka
ungamdlalisi thina baba khawatha abafana ba
keep riding self sabotage Kaizer Chiefs into your time right now self sabotage asinto already i-problem never khona ilukisa noma rekathola upecha mo at this club iyenze iluka but now ile nyaro jana relaxite ne batho ba nonchalant ba batlo o sheba dintho ka tsela ya dipene come on
I wonder the legends that Chiefs doing I want to choose the performance so enhle
aballa ba kuthatha kumali balla
then naba it's something what ba mfethu bakaniane Pirates lo bua yona pa most the legends abona adiwa like o khona bona le leng yetsa ba banka serious because of batseba ba fethu ka tlo re khawathang lona go tswara imagine mfethu sihlangana no doctor maybe sahlangana naye coach dintsana no la team re tseba Dr. Kaizer Chiefs obvious
ke legend
one talk so like I think the tlamele ba etsa something mfethu ibona di legends ba bue le management la raya pop stick Junior come on
mara doctor bakhulumela Sundowns
mara nathi uringe
ba
but nathi confusing ke riding mfethu dile ngeya Kaizer Chiefs ntwana like has been going like for quite a long time why ke chojwa una story nya sihlale Sundowns ke mang George Lewis mo ana to join Sundowns una le mo abuante ngathi ke podcast ya mama watch nteng gore o feel nga go betray le po but o bikena mo nkileng ka tswa mpisa go Kaizer Chiefs then it's not to renew a contract. Can you do an necessary low about? We told her no. Everything is obvious. Each and every time I open and put him down, apologize. So you ask yourself, well, the root cause of this? It's bad. And we're going to from hard. So we cannot be expecting more into the catching nowhere else into from hard and
Tuesday yakhumbula ngizongitshela ukuthi ngibona ama improvements against igame le-Orbit na-Richards Bay Saturday afternoon. Uzibonile ke lezi Richards Bay Tuesday madlala ne-Chiefs. Bonile phasi yonke into
ready.
Besibuzana ngecoach ukuthi ubani
transition
izothwa.
And another thing Bafethu wabona Kaizer Chiefs in fact it's not like I feel like Richards Bay okay badlala bhola bayidlala but Kaizer Chiefs apha iphithile into busy iphithile game elephant Richards Bay knows how to handle shine so Kaizer Chiefs in terms of passing and everything.
Like ikiduthi zakhe shebe kabona ke Richards Bay dlala so
abantu bavulele Sundowns isizini mayicala bheka ba improve kanjani into engisho babona makune coaching bafethu akune coaching izinto zayenza
style of play and everything
and uPapizo bekamnandi vele ke bekamnandi bekuyinje igame so into engisho Kaizer Chiefs into efunakala coaching
the scouting is great
yithi
yithi laba
because I believe ukuthi isandla sika left iswashe sika right isandla siyi-one ngeke sicompetition so these two things they need to complement each other if there's no complement the other side
Sundowns bedlala nani konje
bebadlala nani ne-Arrows hey
referee batheni ngale ya handball yegame lePolokwane
bathatha ipenalty
sengisho ukuthi
ukhombile ne
Lensman wathi
ayikho
Arrows bayigaye ipenalty baphiki igoli le-Sundowns bekungasi offside bekungasi offside
hey kubhizi ngabo river
in all honesty bekungasi offside
kungasiyona
bathi akusi offside lokho because bathi i-player isemuva kweball akusi offside unless ibheka phambi kweball then bamshanga cross la shaya tapping khona
nali behind the ball
bathi igoli liphikile that's why ke officiating
officiating
game yamazulu kuzidliwe emazulu was it yesterday
nedlala mawuba namazulu
kune penalty bokwamele babaphi
next we talk
skepe maqeda zonke ofori yaphuma ubamba ibhola ngesandla
bamgayelo card and the last man
like there was an opportunity ukuthi bengakore lokhu zana King
nedlala Casrick I think they gained the confidence after game
coach what did emfethu gamatha dawakitimiwa da fitness jo
ke kasho ka Casrick ka team into the team cause akasha balokong ba number 2 I think
exactly but possibilities abaganga nebank
bankele promotion and a very very potential oyeza la yini because of babona so like bayadla the cup and bayadlala kai CAF
exactly
confederations abaceda bankiliki kada seli team ku PSL baba ihlabela achievement egrote playing and remember itswa kai
so bakhawa
mara yantena di teams swabo yatisa no ditisa setsofelile ntse ka pele bayehlisa
the thing ko abatlotlela le the big sharks di tlozokala continue
exactly tsona le ba dikhubula bathula fitla kwa dia
because of obviously every player vele ipata vele dlala one of those big teams and so that's why di dlala sonto nathi
but I still believe now le body case ranking if you to promote your coding it's only big team
exactly
never mind the financial capacity and everything but you're a big team so
because of janala vele letsona di players dina di dream so ha tsa keng langa ipona ke la PSL ke dlala one of those top teams tse la ku PSL
top 3
not
It has to be like top 16. Is it top
Yeah,
16,
like
top five.
nanoma ngayanga ku-Pirates because of
the whole
16.
league. It has to be top 16.
because of mangathatha ukubheka
Ungabi the weakest league.
i-Pirates most yabasayina ama-player beceda baloni uyangithola inama-player engakho abalonile i-Pirates
It plans.
uyangithola so baplayer they know babona potential ore hayi okay hayi e re tlo ikgutlisa kgatla o yona wabo because of I think and yabasipanela ke muslim that because of now
like whatever running na leng yona ja bona ka re ya dropa nyana na nyana ka ngape pumpelo na le lonile ya go tla emisa
exactly because of liyana gutla mtho wa tsebe ntse thola game time ngala go gutla sa gutla ha bona no ke a fasa la ko bhakane la ke a fasa ke a silwanela wanthola so like I think yabasipanela la ile because of aso ga ya bona bo sometimes ba bone phela okay because re ke e gona isa emfetise phakathi extra time nju
and what's about
and it strong awuthitsele nju
dona le ere ne re tsebo re wantse ga feta 70
yeah
go ya kwa in terms of ga tseba phela batho ba dlala week in week out leng ga tseba from mo re ka ba match from there
baba frustrated
and the motho tsolo peke mezo le mazulu extra time first half and second half amazulu engayiboni lento lezigijima
like to
and bazulu befavor umoya first half mara lento lezibeza imaka a second half umntwana emazulu ayibona ngani
strong ntona tsela I can say le team there for me I believe ukuthi ready to
alina kufila ka
ready to for PSL ne however experience okudlala ku PSL izobashaya but then they are ready for me
bazotrekela Sundown
and another thing
problem
udibona dili fresh dili ready we can go back to what Black Leopards and everything then buthatha ibada copy when they have to score goals.
It's a South African problem.
Yeah, that's why like it's a South African problem. You're right. But the thing is, it's a South African problem. The player le South African want Puma ngada.
Something open make it. There's national setup. We coach it right.
Surprise me.
Gaba need about you.
Was surprise me.
Those players tseneli ntwe mutsele ga di hloka mfeti. Ko each and every department ile di coach ila too.
Yeah.
Egaspana ba di nile o tsitse jwa. I mean go tlo sokola ka ride nga di striker too.
Imona ga sokola.
Ga sokola mfeti. Tsapa ngavela la magupa ke one of the best strikers. However na le Mnkosi.
Yes.
And Motona Kare he was or maybe still is Peter Shalulile and is not even South African.
You see?
Amado Reynolds uyakho.
Yes, strike esifuneka.
Akabuya kuyijari ntwana. Wabuya
Reynolds Pretty Khurula. Chu.
Ale Pretty Khoba.
Yakhoga yini.
And Pretty Khoba sa le khoro.
Omulo yabo.
Sa le khoro and le mobane yona le moba tlile shapa hira bamkhawula yona. Bamkhawula mlomo.
Sundowns yakhona win league ne?
Hey win.
Mpethi yabona kunalento bayibiza.
No kuspani experience for this year. Ay yabaspanele experience.
Experience wathi lento konke okay, experience is billion, right? Then when I leading like sebaitwa it feel ubona like bathi borai noma katsala so gathi ba backup leni ki.
Labantala phela labantu badlala inini babonke laba.
Yho.
Ama seasons. So bayazi ukuthi by this time ngalesikhathi collect ama points.
Abona lo isikhathi sabo no.
Sonke besijula ukuthi Golden Arrows izobamba iSundowns. Maybe nge draw or something.
Zishaya trip aphikeli one
ngithola and officiating be wrong. It's offside leya. Ne penalty leya abapay yona.
Arrows
yabo questionable. So
abo River mfana
abo River mfana
nakhala ngabo River
mina mfethu ngikhala ngePSL ukuthi bayenza lento lekwamele bayenze. You know sometimes mfethu if ubadlala into standard background each and every now and then let's say akere season ura na shapa half season go tla pere yetsa di workshops tsa bo referee what's ba dile ba le apps ba le skill so wrong so like you sharpen the skill everything you cannot just
I do vet
workshop
for more
okay maybe re ka tshego diteng tse go lo rona tse re sa ditsebeng diteng but ba etsa go workshop
if ever you mfana tlamele ba di etse dia batleya ra dintse dia batleya
bazenze
dia batleya ka bani no officiating imfethu
and important because Costa di team tse baya kanti
Costa team tse plus lenyuku jo
aba revuto
bala
aba revuto.
That being said bafethu siphe iPSL responsibility ukuthi mabayenze plan
Lotse pa tlamele di change officing je tlamele di change jo
and officing abaqala bathula phela mikhuba nya
office lelishintshe mfana
njengoba kugena body
Le coach ePolokwane izwile
Uphuthi. Mamele they won't win it. If
it's Pirates if idlala so
ngeke bayiwin.
ngeke bayiwina.
So like I was shocked. I was
So
surprised
19.
ukuthi we ringa kanjani ekubeni it was on the losing side. And for me ngibone ngakhona igame. Phakathi la imisa ama chances abhayi. Well feel izinto ezingasikhosta lezo.
Into akhulumela phezulu.
Being clinical maybe.
Yeah.
One being clinically siyasaba poor. Probably ngeke libuma 3-4. Mwana siya special. Mwana say ngoba ko penalty by pick up. I mean like as a striker. You're not a guy something wabo. Wa go bontsho go like go batla ho etsa. Emma ga go re chief.
Killer instinct.
Leading what you know like ayo. One joy. So like Uphuthi Makati, I think ube arrogant for me, you know, like they won't win it. I would say
by 3 coach
Tinkler
ngoba umanqoba
le na Phuthi.
You out Phuthi. It's like they'd rather Sundowns. The way mina ngibabone bakhuluma ngakhona. They'd rather Sundowns win the league than Pirates.
Right.
Ngithola and uma ungabheka ama game wabo mase badlala nale team le questionable
ngiyabona enye podcast exactly I would say this thing is a match fixing. I mean like why lama team lawa mawadlala ne Pirates badlala so like baba strong and yet mabazodlala na this certain team baqala ba poor I mean like
so telling we beg last game Sundowns idlala nePolokwane ngoba
yazi Soweto mfana nale stigma lesesibhedala wabona libitso leSoweto mfana libitso leSoweto abayibaki I can vouch like wabona I tell you something wabona kona sika Soweto Academy most idlala ko like ikela tsebo North body St John's and stuff like that awuqala kena Soweto beef lona nje ntwe phela wona nje ngifila nkari bo coach balibua nkabona. But they rather say your cape or the league 20 dile ya ko Pretoria or somewhere else than Soweto. And mind you, mfethu Soweto. How many teams that go Soweto go PSL at this current moment? Why are you beefing with Soweto, bra? And another thing, I more Soweto. It's not like it go will fighting little different from more than land thing. I can understand. But now then the beats open beats all the Soweto fan. The beats all the Soweto.
Big.
So labo coach laba ntanga ntawazikhuluma like kuvela ubona ukuthi okay no going forward sesiyabona ukuthi kuzenzakala like we know
seniyabona ukuthi ama games bawathengisa
remember Ali Kicala sikhukhune sirishayela ke
sharp
and then nagibula for second round ngadlala draw ball
wayenza sure ukuthi
umekile sure ka games ungawi no Pirates mara udadlala lo Sundowns ayithala
sharp
like isikhukhune senesidlala le Pirates sinisifihle Pirates isidlala le Sundowns yabona right lokhetha la
mfethu
ngenhle
kwenzakalani lo uyazibuza kwenzakalani
urekisitse game ura like how can you drop a goalkeeper ya hawe lo no ya uthibela that Ronald Liner
lena
dropa jwang ka game ya Sundowns crucial so ulisikhukhune ntho wathi bantsathiba so hayo injani uma benji mara ka game ya Sundowns wamref for in and waqala kamaghala kabontle mtholo wonke threat akayibula Sundowns
ubona le substitutions at the mfethu right
that's why ngitsa
like babhayisa di game okwetsala nga we don't know
asazi true but nje the way sibona ngakhona izinto zenzeka ngakhona
so it will be set if our Pirates ayithathi league
mina yazi ukuthi
ngiyafisa ukuthi ithathe true
yazi ukuthi mina bengibona na previous seasons Stellenbosch adlala nePirates adlala neSundowns la so lazothi shoot ama tactics eSundowns are better. There's nothing like that.
And Sundowns is like asibakhuluma but like abadlali ibhola lesingasho ukuthi okay
lo
abasadlali la bhola le
shishane impiyano le ayisekho
da since vele ba introduce ama foreign players like identity yabo like ivele ya anyway talking about their identity bafethu kunale ndaba le aka who's this boy uNkotha uNkotha ukuthi he's not doing very well that side. He might be coming back home
he
on
might
loan
however
yeah
siba place it offer ne
ngathi ngithi sikhulumani ukuthi ngathini
Ya sikhulumi next sikhuluma wena
ngathini makavali ngitheni makahamba
wathini
ngathini
bathini bona
hey ngathini makavali ngathi bafethu ezinye izinto azenzi sense uyabona i-Egypt mayifuna ukudla inyungu
now then
mayifuna
abanye bathi mabakhuluma bathi Ivan Khoza lapha bekasifunile imali which is
business wise vele
ngibusiness mawuza nge-60 million ngiyabona ukuthi hawu neliga ngiwini 60 million mina ngizoyicova iziteam ne
una how many months ngara
but wena
since avail how many months
league no no over July
yeah
7 8
wow
as a team ayengiblame i-team ne i-team asibekile side as wena ne-agent yakho mawuhleli uring wena wangamtshela ukuthi mfethu World Cup is around the corner ku-Pirates bekuyisizini yami yokucala and
bekuyisizini yakhe
bengishisa yabo neskim bengakabi first team player like that bekuyi-impact play
and lapha ku-Pirates bekungasile player le yama-moments ngala uvele waba i-player yama-moments ukhona akekho
bese bamconvertile adlala i-right back left back
bamenzi wing back
yangithola mina ngasho ngathi wena mawuhleli ne-agent yakho noma bathi inyungu awuthiyama but cabanga ibheka no bazomlona contract yaphela bayamvayisa
obvious
itsile uzobuya ngayi or bazomisa America na or yangithola sakazoba I'm sorry to say this but ivar sakazoba uCassius Mayilula
indaba kaCassius Mayilula
yangithola sakazoba uMayilula manje now it's like manje u-ashamed ukuthi wena ubuye eKasi because now sikubhekile sijile ukuthi hayi uye-America uyahamba kushuthi uyavaya ke uzovaya but then yabona sakayale ule ama-loan ule yangithola now as i-player stability nyokusithola izwa riding le so no sokuwunkotha no uzoba in the same situation.
And that's what happens with South African players. Ebusuku njengoba ngidlile mfana I was thinking ukuthi why is it with South African players mabaphuma ngapha baya to like foreign countries like abasibambi grand scheme then you check like I would say neighboring countries ngayi kubo Nigeria kubo ngithi for Zimbabwe some of the players when they go that side
they play
teams then from Sporting Lisbon from Sporting Lisbon umuntu sekadlalela iBayern and uyasibamba mfethu like yini ngathi wrong ukuthi actually esingayenzi right I'm not only saying ngeplayer kanje nekanye khona manje uPresita ukuphi
it goes way back kuthulani Sirero suka ku-Ajax waya kulama country like mfethu like i-agent or who as a player or performing like kunento wrong between the two.
I mean, I think we're losing it when it comes to money, bro. I think we're not playing for the passion, we're just following money. You see, I think this is the only thing actually. The key factor. Because my player, let's say N'Golo Kante. N'Golo Kante he played his heart out. Imali landed. So when I'm also up with the intentions of money, it is clear. Because you're not longer focusing, so focused with the 30 million for this month and let's obey for this whole year per annum. Now you're no longer focusing on the important things.
Yeah,
like it said, because now you know what's happening.
You play you know umbogazi.
Ikulala generation, it's our upcoming generation.
And we are and we are perform.
Uzimisele. Week in week out. And you are about to umbogazi. Akalandelelani izanga.
Uyadlala.
So he's been considered as one of the toppest player.
America.
And no chances ayakhumbula sathi ungaba but anga excel ukuthabela amanye amateam
and
manje
he's doing it right. So into engisho yabona ngale ngenkotha mfana it's said yabo mina for me if being agent yakhe bengizomtshela ntwana yami if into yakho imali izoza noma kungenzakalani noma kungathiwa
yakho blue
wena dlala idisk
simple
focus ebholweni
bekumele ahlale ku-Pirates akasadlali ngada ngibonile bebadlala I think izolo eskimini akekho
nasebhenchini
so bazothula imele nasazi but nje
simbona ngayi angihlezi na travel
sengiyasho nje ukuthi yabona ukuthi izomkhawatha Varane World Cup
already sicale manje ngala ma-friendly
mabangamkhethi ku World Cup and yabona le coach leya yabona mayengamkhethi kula ma-friendly wadlala no
angeke samkhethi
awuthami sichaya
akakho
and uzoyenzani izomkhawatha mentally uzogcina sikashaya sikabulala isitoko sikayenzani sibathi yabo
basibusana izongo soyasola
yabo
ukuthi
bese uyazibuza ukuthi lento leyiqala va qali kuye ne-agent yakhe bahleli so bakhuluma bathi hayi we are doing this now Saudi Arabia
ama-agents amislead ama-player
and bafethu yazi besingambhesha ulokhuzana uHugo Broos wayekhuluma athi la malinyana lawa
makavela engekho happy nokuthi umbokazi ayida because of yena bekayibona i-potential ukuthi intwana yami mina ngiyakutshela ngihlala ku-Pirates no after World Cup uzobona ukuthi uzobufuna left
and bazomfuna even now
and manje u-contract tied no sign 5 years
ne-Chicago
yabona ngathi zizofuna imali ehlanyayo bese zithi yes ahlanye zam over i-deal yenzeke between the agent and the player bavumelana bathi it's cool awuvayo America sekazohlala manje 5 years or 4 years America while Liverpool maybe seyamfuna and they have to buy him out mazofuna leyo mali bazosho ukuthi hayi bayasijwayela singathola ama-player ethu South Africa bazosebenza lezi zinto lezo mina into bengizikhalela ukuthi okay sharp uzoya la mnandi life yakhe izochange of which is good mina I vouch for that but going forward for i-career yakho
what then
yangithola
so do you think ama-agent they failing our players
they
do
abhaya ama-player amthembu ahleli ikasi afeyilwe abantu bebabathembisa ukuthi intwana yami ngizokuyisa la intwana yami ngizokwenza intwana yami ngizokwenza
how do you get to pick your agent?
That's the thing.
Sometimes you get like, let's say for example, if uthole umuntu ukuthi the only thing about him is money, you fuck. Then you get someone ukuthi he's passionate about what he's doing. He'll represent you well and proper.
That's the thing.
When it comes to the contracts and everything, the bindings and everything,
fair. That's the thing ukuthi bakuthole ikasi ulambe.
And Moktolekas now question you don't become inquisitive.
You are hung.
Is important.
Most of the players are there because of talent. Agent sportile.
So easily.
Ubala contract.
Into is
bakawata. Yana chakete fellow sa. Ubuni diziyo. Timur kenante.
What's PSL sponsorship?
Kimori kenante. PSL Academy.
Because the PSL Academy, let's just say, man, I did my law. And you want to get to practice and everything. Your practicals and everything. We to practice go PSA.
They are creating jobs.
The player.
Our ideas are creating jobs.
As a pro bono, whatever by pizza, okay. Yabona umlathile Mbogazi kogazi. So what's in it for Mbogazi? Okay, we name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. You didn't talk about a future Mbogazi. How about 1, 2, 3, 4? Adjust the contract to it allow no brother and everything. Like yo, dog. Hey, PSL. Score.
Now umsebenzi.
I want to stop saying this is sandla.
We are here.
Siyacela bafo sikhona. Okay. Sibuyele kuma underdogs. Big up to our underdogs bafethu.
Yes.
Underdogs Nedbank Cup. Nedbank Cup yalabantu laba bahle.
Yeah, no, shout out to the teams.
Shout out to the teams. Underdogs.
Bashilo mfana bathi Nedbank Cup of Dreams.
Yes. Nedbank Cup of Dreams ne. Sibashayisa lezi
zinto talent.
Kuna le story leseshisayo. Ngingazi ukuthi i rumor or kwenzakalani, but you cannot speculate. Zwane Rile Photo played his 300 games, right? He reached the 300
yeah. Shout out to Dion Automatic.
Yes, Bati.
Automatic.
Bati.
No, but it's under good Twitter rating. Like should more good we keep good to 100 games, yabo. So waphuma le
nto 100 or 300.
300. Sengicabanga umfuke intwana yamabona ukuthi uyangicondemn. Sengicabanga ngawo.
Bafethu yabona ukuthi wona le ndaba ukuthi kuphela.
Ovi.
then ya trend ukuthi so bakhipha ama stats kaWudu ama stats kaWudu but babona ama assist abantu ayazi ke ama fans Pirates asuke enye into enkulu kabi ke but uthi unama assist apha ukudlula uMshishi and bathi uMshishi is the greatest footballer
the greatest kapala
ayayazi lo
Okay, like PSL or in soccer like in general. That's what I want to understand.
I think
PSL. PSL kusho ukuthi uMshishi uyashaya but mina when I mama sengiza ngesami story ngithi udakaboni next.
I know.
Yeah.
Argument bekuyile ukuthi uMshishi
they can
win
compare.
amakhapa bhaya na. But then abantu bebathi no thina asahali uMshishi is the greatest ku PSL.
Now I'm still saying that I want to mention.
But ama-assist wakhe as central attacking midfielder are less than our defender.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yangithola. So basically argument le angazi ubani
Maka you have to remember one thing. Umuntu makafika uze kuyi-winger.
Yeah.
A left winger from
So by sum up.
Yeah, all
bonke yeah.
And another thing futhi.
and ku Celtics bekayiwini.
Umshishi he can never be assisting ama-goals but he creates ama-goals.
Change gaming of
Yeah, izwa lento engisho.
Yeah, no mina understand because
That's it.
position ngicela kuyidlala so ngiyazi ukuthi mawukwenza izinto lapha izinto ziyenzakala nje njengoReal yabo uReal uApolisa nga-assist goal umbuthuma koro umahopa koro mara lisuka kuReal leyo part important isuke kuReal
umuntu orchestrate yonke
yangithola
master orchestrate umshishi nawo
uMshishi is that guy
Umshishi ufana bande Nigeria uyobi.
sekagude ngama-4 pass where
so sebafaka uReal kuleyo twist leyo
man still is a lot to learn sazofunda.
We're not taking that from Otto.
But then congrats Otto.
Okay, bafethu singayithathini away from Otto mfethu, congratulations. Singakhohlwa bafethu subscribe, like, nisfolloweni ku Facebook, Instagram, TikTok sidashi Bobo Mac. Thank you. Hamba nama-WhatsApp, hamba namaphoyisa.
Ayifakwa mthuthu.
Thank you bafethu Bobo Mac sisonke. Siyabonga for 100. Sibonga boma 100 asupporteni phindeni nibabhaya bafika.
I see it.
Come is coming.
Come. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngalento le besikhuluma ngayo vandaag. Udissecte nathi ayithola lento le. Thank you.
Travis.
Bafethu subscribe Bobo Mac bafethu.